ROZENGRALS. Today I want to take you to some special place. I just walked into the building and already can sense the spirit of the place. I enjoy such atmospheric buildings a lot, and I already been here before, several times actually, but let's see what we got here. Here's the ROZENGRALS menu. I personally took it in Russian, but you could have it in English or Latvian. They probably have others also. And today I'm looking for beer, because here they have them special, such as ginger beer and honey beer, and they are making it right here at the restaurant. Also looking for soups and some starters. Ginger beer smells so nice. And little shots. ROZENGRALS restaurant is underground and it's very close to hell. So to be even closer to hell, we ordered some shots. Look at this. Special medieval shot. 50 grams. They don't have less. Cheers. And bye-bye. Also, every time when you come to ROZENGRALS and don't order something, they bring you this local bread. They are making it themselves. It is very tasty. Like, just because of this, you have to come over here. That's how it looks. Oh, it smells amazing. And serving in such a nice wrapping. Together with the soup, took some starters like cheese plate and some dark bread, which is very common in Latvia to have. And I really love how they serve it. Just got my soup from Deer. It's a very good soup over here. If you're here, definitely order it too. Yummy. My deer soup made from deer. And everything got served pretty much in the medieval style dishes. Even toilet in this place is very like medieval. Not all of it, thanks goodness, otherwise that would be complete hell. But music, candles and walls definitely give that feeling. Very pity that I didn't make video of doors entering the toilet, because doors looking like a coffin. Here's a lot of room in ROZENGRALS and a lot of places where to eat, and the rooms are very different and a little like it's like a little caves. And these are stairs where you are entering the restaurant and also where you're leaving. So now I'm leaving and going up. ROZENGRALS often having live musicians to give a more atmospheric mood to this place. Here's a cool example. Even after leaving this amazing place, you will still feel this authentic spirit following you and filling you up. And this street with lights, it is actually most narrow street in Old Town in Old Riga.
ROZENGRALS is one of the best restaurants in Old Riga and probably in whole Riga in total. Really love this place, and if you are here you definitely should visit it. The food is amazing, the atmosphere is great, everything is like you're going down there, it's like you're going to some different medieval place.
Nie jest. No tak.
So far this is it. I hope you did like it, so like, subscribe, and tell me if you want to see more of Riga videos.